How are you? Today we are completing our textbook part 1. Last part we are going to study is rectangular blocks. Have you seen any rectangular blocks? Rectangle you know. Block means കട്ടയായിട്ടുള്ളത്. Not shape, rectangular shape, not shape but block. Now I will show, can you say some examples? Have you seen bricks? We use to build our houses and all. Bricks, chudugatta. Have you seen? I will show you. This is one example of rectangular block, chudugatta. Have you seen? You know that. See how many faces are there in a rectangular block. How many faces? We all have face, no? So everything has face. Every object has face. This rectangular block, how many face? This is one face. One face. This is second face. This is third face. Then last fourth face is this. Four faces. Then fifth face here and sixth face here. Did you see how many faces are there in a rectangular block? Can you say? You count and say. Another example for rectangular block is one matchbox. You all are familiar with this matchbox at home, no? How many faces? One face, two face, three face, four face, then fifth face here, sixth face here. This also 6 faces. Another example for rectangular block is bar soap. At home, you might have seen bar soap. Your mother uses daily, no? This is a block, not shape. This is a block. കട്ടയായിട്ടുള്ളതിനാണ് ബ്ലോക്ക് എന്ന് പറയുക. This how many faces? One face, second face, third face and fourth face. Then this side also face. Fifth face and this is sixth face. This is a rectangular block. This bar soap also have 6 faces. Then you can remember it in your mind. See, brick, matchbox, bar soap, etc. Faces of rectangular block. How many faces are there in rectangular block? How many faces? There are 6 faces in a rectangular block. 6 faces. You have seen it. You find out some other examples at home and count the faces and write down in your notebook. Some other examples also other than this. Then next we have to study is draw the next picture. This is one picture, one square. This is one square, one picture, no? Then I am going to draw 2 squares together. How many squares are there? I joined 2 squares. There are 2 squares. Again, I am going to draw 3 squares. 1, 2, and 3. 3 squares. Like that, we can draw squares connecting each other. One, single one, 2, 3. Next block will be 4 squares. That you can draw in your notebook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that you can draw. Again, this is one triangle. This is one triangle. Again, I am going to draw another triangle like this. This is one triangle. Consider this line as one side and you can draw another triangle. I joined 2 triangles here. Again, another triangle. Then second triangle, then from here you can draw another triangle also. Third triangle. Like that you can draw again. Draw one triangle first, then second triangle, from here third triangle, from here fourth triangle. See, like that you can draw triangles connecting each other. Then another, we can draw one square like this. Then another triangle, square like this. Joining that, from starting here, you can draw another square like this. Again, start from here, draw another square like. Then, starting from here, draw another square. We can continue this drawing squares, and if we can adjust, we can make a picture. Then you please try to draw some squares. Then I will give you one homework to draw some pictures using rectangles, triangles, circles and squares. You draw that in your notebook and send the picture to me. Rectangle, triangle, square, circle. ഇതെല്ലാം ഉപയോഗിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള ഒരു ചിത്രം ഉണ്ടാക്കി, if you can give colors also and send it to me. And let me see who is listening my class, who can draw pictures, mathematical pictures. Okay. Then let me ask, how many of you have studied the mathematics multiplication tables of 1 to 10? Many children sent me the video saying the tables, but many of you did not send it. Then I will give your list of the people who did not give the videos. I will put it in the group. I will wait for 2 more days. Then after that I will give the list in the group. Okay. Then one more thing, on Wednesday we completed our first part 1. Wednesday we are going to give you, I am going to give you one test paper based on this last lesson. Page from 36 to 48. Okay, you study that well. Then you have to write to one multiplication table also, 1 or 2. I will tell, in the question I will tell you which table you have to write. 1 or 2 tables I will ask you to write for test paper, and from page 36 to 48 you study carefully. Okay, let us wind up our class now. Thank you all.